Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Invoice from Home Depot online order. Okay, so first you need to locate your Home Depot order number in your order confirmation email, right? And then go to homedepot.com and then click on a track order feature in the upper right corner, right? And then you need to enter your order information right here, your order number and phone number, then click on track order, okay? And then you'll be able to view this page. So this is the in-store or orders page. So you just need to click on a view receipt right there. And this will open up your receipt. Okay, you can go ahead and print this as the invoice, right? Or what you can do is go back to the in-store's overview section, click on view customer agreement, and then you can print this kind of invoice. So whichever one is more applicable to you, you can print that type of invoice. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.